Are you still struggling with decimal numbers in Microsoft Excel? Well, meet the INT function. This function removes decimal very fast, and it is very useful when, especially if you are dealing with price, quantity, you are preparing reports, you are cleaning data, and again, if you are dealing with what monetary figures, right? Without wasting much time, let's get to business. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, please do want to hit that subscribe button for me. Turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. Thank you. God bless you if you have done that one. Okay. Now we have three type of data here for Abdullah Ba, Alhaji Sise, Ali Amara, and so on and so forth, right? And these are the amounts we have: 1,312.9596, Alhaji Sise 82.68, right? And now you want this to run this number down to the nearest whole number. What the new Excel user out there will do, they may just want to highlight this and go to what? Decrease decimals, right? They decrease the decimal like this. But when you decrease the decimal, what Excel will do? Excel will round up the figure for you. Automatically the figure will increase. If you are dealing with monetary value, then what you do? The money will increase instead of what? Decreasing, and you will be at a greater disadvantage out there. So what you will do, I will advise you here to do now is this. Okay, as Excel user pro, with the int function here, it's run down the number to the nearest whole number. Example, let's say equals to, now we start with int. The minute you start typing, Excel have intelligent, and it will recognize automatically filter function that are what categorized under that category, right? So now we are looking for the int function, which is int. Now this is it. Double click it. When you double click the function, all you have to do, just click on this and hit what? Enter on your keyboard. You can see automatically the number has been run down to what? To the nearest whole number. All you have to do, you don't have to repeat this process for each staff or each employee or each item. All you have to do, just drag the formula down and boom, there you go. Instead of now 1,312.9596, we only have what? 1,312. And instead of decreasing the decimal, we are in Excel which will increase the figure, automatically turn into 1,313, which is very bad, which is a disadvantage for you if you are dealing with monetary figures. Okay, here you have what? Nearest number, excluding what? The decimals. I hope this is very helpful, and I guess you learned something here. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me, turn on the notification bell icon so you will not miss out each time I upload a new video. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you next time.